regarding po sa paggamit ng ating Visa card with the ending number of 8000.
Wala naman po.
Even online po ma'am or yung RCBC Pulse po natin?
Wala naman. Hindi ko naman din siya ginagamit.
Okay. So, the reason why ma'am nag-reach out yung aming department directly to your registered mobile number, since as per double checking here ma'am on our 3D monitoring system is may nag-generate po kasi na red flag under po sa inyong account. Which means ma'am, pero po mga unusual attempts of online cash loan request, accumulated po ito ma'am of multiple attempts worth 50,000 each transaction na itina-transfer ma'am to other bank which is yung GoTime Digital Banking via OnlyPay. So, authorized naman po ba natin ito ma'am since na-flag down po ito ng aming department?
Hindi.
Hindi po ma'am. So, it means ma'am, hindi rin po kayo yung nag-reach out dito sa aming department this morning para po ipavalidate po ito.
Hindi din.
Okay. So, familiar po ba tayo ma'am sa mobile number na 0917-263-4469? Since nagpapakilala po ito ma'am na kayo or si Miss Mary Grace Moreno.
Hindi.
Okay. So, in that case ma'am, we will be conducting 3 immediate banking days of investigation with our anti-cybercrime department. Na sa ganun ma'am is malocate and malaman po natin kung saan nagagaling itong compromising under po sa inyong account, Miss Moreno.
Okay.
And we'd highly suggest ma'am na i-hold itong affected card na sa ganun make sure po natin ma'am na hindi po tuluyan na ma-compromise at hindi po tayo magkaroon ng mga problema sa ating darating na monthly billing statements. Is it okay with you, Miss Moreno?
Yeah. Alright. Proceed.
And within 7 to 10 banking days, ma'am, marireceive po ninyo yung replacement na inyong credit card. Since subject for termination na po itong current po natin, ma'am. And need po natin mag-conduct na immediate replacement. And wala naman po tayo babayaran dito, ma'am, since isi-shoulder po ito ng aming department as a compensation. Okay? And still residing pa rin naman po ba tayo, ma'am? Dito na lang po namin, ma'am, ipapadeliver yung replacement na inyong card and make sure po natin, ma'am, na makapag-present po tayo at least one valid ID once na tayo po yung makaka-receive for the reference lang din po ng ating RCBC courier.
Okay, sir.
Okay? And for added security question lang din po, ma'am, yung physical card po natin, ma'am, hindi po ba natin ito nawala or naipahiram sa iba?
Nakatago lang siya kasi wala naman din akong paggagamitan.
Okay, most of the time, ma'am, nasa atin lang naman po. Okay. So, when was the last time po ba, ma'am, na ginamit po natin ito and saan?
April pa yata.
Okay, even online po, ma'am, hindi rin po ba natin ito nagagamit? Yung online banking po natin, RCBC Pulse?
Hindi. Kasi nakalock naman siya eh.
Yes po, ma'am. Since nagka-try din po ito, ma'am, na i-unlock. So, by later on, ma'am, is-forward naman po namin sa inyo lahat ng soft copy evidences na mga kinumit na mga illegal activities under po sa inyong account, Miss Moreno.
Alright.
So, providean ko kayo, ma'am, ng inyong incident case reference number. So, much better po, ma'am, ko i-take note po natin ito.
Okay.
So, over the recorded line, your incident case reference number is RCBC.
Hold on.
Okay, ma'am, you have my full time.
Sige.
Ulitin ko po, ma'am, it's RCBC 1-8061-1002-4. Tama naman po, ma'am.
Tama naman po.
Okay. So, as of right now naman po, ma'am, for the termination po tayo, nitong unauthorized mobile number, which is yung 0917-263-4469. So, magpo-provide po yung aming department, ma'am, na acknowledgement message real time to your registered mobile number, which tama naman po, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, so entitled po ito, ma'am, of our department, RCBC credit. So, as time reflected of this one, ma'am, it's 11:02 a.m. Please double check, ma'am, at your end. Okay.
Aling
So, may
gagawin ko?
na-receive na po tayo, ma'am. Nag-forward po, ma'am, yung aming department na acknowledgement message. So, double check po natin, ma'am, kung may na-receive po tayo through our registered mobile number.
Wala pa ako natanggap.
Okay, ma'am. So, for other security questions lang din po, ma'am, ito lang po ba, ma'am, yung ginagamit po natin na credit card kay RCBC? Nang sa ganun is, may isama rin po natin to sa report.
Opo, yan lang.
Ito lang naman po, ma'am. So, confirm ko lang din po, ma'am, itong email address natin, .com. Still active pa rin naman po ito, ma'am.
Active pa naman po.
Okay. So, forwardan po namin kayo, ma'am, ng mga soft copy evidences dito. Okay? So, any questions, ma'am, or clarification before ko po kayo ihang yung line po natin?
Wala naman.
Wala naman na po, ma'am. So, thank you so much, Ms. Moreno, for your time and have a wonderful day. Thank you for banking with us,
Sorry,
ma'am.
anong name
Expect
mo
po tayo
ulit?
ng email. Sorry, ma'am.
Anong name niyo po ulit?
It's Jose Rico Calulu po, ma'am.
Sige po. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye po.
Hayop! Ano daw? Jose Rico Calulu? Kaluluwa? My God! Ay, paano nyo nakakayanang manloko ng kapwa nyo?